Okay, let's take a look at syncing 4CastPro with an Access Dimensions dataset. First of all, we open up the program here by clicking on the icon and inputting the default username and password, which is controller and lock. That takes you into the company manager, where we'll add a company called Benson, which is the dummy data that comes with an installation of Access Dimensions. So we'll add the company and click on it to open it. Right, on the file menu you'll see that we've got something called a DIMS setup wizard. Now this is very handy for initially linking your data to dimensions. First of all, we'll find SQL servers, and any that are on the network will then appear in the drop-down list. In my case it's a version of SQL Express on my laptop. We can then see all the data sets that are there, and we'll choose Benson. Input in the SA password and click Next. Now this shows you some information about the data set. It's in current year 2, sales ledgers in current year 3, and it's in the year 2006, which is a while back now, but was when I last got the data. So you've now got to choose which of these category codes identifies the management account groups. Now we could choose 3 or we could choose 2. 2 seems to be at a bit of a higher level than 3, and I think if we scroll down it's got balance sheet groupings, so we'll choose 2, otherwise we won't get any groupings on the balance sheet. We're going to bring it into period C2 to correspond with the nominal period that we're in, and we click Next. It initially deletes the accounts that are in the system, and then it adds back the ones that are in dimensions. And basically that's it. Let's go and have a look now at what we've got. You can see it's brought through the profit and loss account for the first 2 periods of the year, and brought it through at these account group levels, which are mirrored in the chart of accounts here. So the sales and the overheads are the same. If we want to add new ones, we can simply do that using the chart of accounts facility to get a more detailed profit and loss account if you want one. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. We'll just hit recalc because that basically brings through the profit from the profit and loss account and other balance sheet checks. So you'll see we've got a fairly decent looking balance sheet as well in terms of how it was grouped in category code 2 within dimensions. So basically that is it.